So just way different.
Hello everyone, Pepperoni Game here, back with another video. Today we are playing Jailbreak. And there's a rocket launcher? I did not know that. And there's that. Okay, so let's play. Hope that doesn't crash again. And boing. Oh my gosh, what? Ah! Get up, run. This is going good. Run. Cells. What does that mean? Breakfast. Is this the cafeteria? Nope. I have done this. No. Oh, there it is. Breakfast. Wait. Aw, it's locked. Ah. Okay. This is really easy to get out of. If the door's still what? Oh yeah, that's always open. Is it raining right now? Yep. Get in! Get in! Yay! Wait, let me drive this. Oh no. Get out. Run! They know where we are. Get out, get up, get up, get up. Here we go. Oh, that's not good. Wait, how big is this? Oh my gosh, someone's shooting at me. Run! Run. Black helicopter. Please don't punch me. However, it happens if we punch it. Oh, that happened. Run! Wait, there's no. Oh. Get on there. Nope. Get out. The drivers. I need to walk the gate open. So you literally. Yay! I'm free! He's in. Here. He loves the guard too. You never saw me. You never saw me. Get in the shop. Get in the shop. There it is. Take this. There we go. Yeah. Let me win. What does that sound? Someone's gonna take it. Oh, that was easy. I'm a target. Ow. Maybe they can't see me if I'm laying down. They'll never catch me alive, Tapas. I always shoot in first person because it's easier. That was loud. Shooting down. Reload. Go. He's dead. I'm just gonna rob the store, bro. Give me all your money. Give me all your money. Oops. I was just not hitting someone. I earned that much money. Hooray, goodbye. Go, 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 go. I'm probably gonna say that a lot. In case you don't like that, then I will immediately stop whatever I'm doing. Go, 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 go. Comment if you don't like this. Because, yeah. Oh gosh, that went everywhere. Stupid light post. Wait. What the? It's a ghost light post. Hey, that rhymes. I did not miss it. Oh, that's not. Go, 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 go. And that's definitely not. Maybe it's like some sort of alien egg or a meteor or something. Oh my gosh. Get me in here. Aw, I don't have that much. Okay. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Wait. It's just a piece of wood. It's an illusion. It looks like there's a diamond on or emerald on it, and then you walk in, and it's just a piece of wood. How disappointing. Are these? They're more ghost lamp posts. You are too. Walk. That's cool. Wait, am I a ghost? No. No. What's this? We're in a person's house. Give me that. Oh, never mind. Are you? No, you're not transparent like everything else. More emerald. Oh. Let's go swimming! Whee! Oh, that was disappointing. This is very loud. I don't know if it's loud for you, but for me it's quite loud. Oh gosh. That's definitely not dangerous. Wait, can it actually hit you? Yep. I got bullet holes in my face. Oh man, I did. Wait, let's do this again. Hey. Oh, there we go. Bullet holes in my face. See that? Is that? Get the gun! Oh, never mind. I was gonna say get the guns, Charlotte. But of course that's and I thought it'd be funny, but clearly it was not. More bullet holes in my face. My face hole. I got bullets in my face. Hole. Hey, do you have any more money? You better have money. No, dang it. You're gonna pay for that. Hit the deck! I'm killing this guy. I guess the only thing I'm gonna get is bullet holes to the face. Go figure. It's like music to my ears. Don't you like it too? Hey guys, let me know if you want these episodes to be, these videos to be longer. Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money. Okay, I've been at first person for a while. How do I bend like that? Just. Yeah, I cut in half. I'm cut in half again. It's so weird, like. No. Bulletproof glass, everyone. Bulletproof glass. Hey, wait, what's that? A safe. Open it, bro. Come on, pink. Come on, pink. Come on. Pink. Seriously, I was that close. Oopsies. Get me out of this right now. Right now. Bulletproof glass, bulletproof glass. Is everyone's windows bulletproof? Clearly? Yes. The answer is yes. My bounty is 200. In the old corner down there. Right over there. Look at that very nice looking car. Oh, it's not very nice looking. Is this car bulletproof? Guys, bulletproof car. The best car ever. This costs $50,000. No wonder it's bulletproof. And now it's candy. And it has no wheels. Simpsons, bro. Simpsons. I am the Simpsons. Get is like everything bulletproof. Have you ever done this where you shoot one of these things? Probably not. Don't try it. It blows up. Long story short, they took safety protocols. Did I just move a building? Did you see that? It looks like I just moved a building. It just went whoomp. So powerful, move building. That can't be safe. Actually, I've already said that a couple times, haven't I? Unsafe behaviors. I'm an idiot. I'm going for this car over here. This. Remember this? Flump. Ghosty man. Ghosty man. Best man ever. Best man. Ghosty. Best man. Ghosty. Best man. Okay. Best ghosty man. What the? What the? What? How did? It's a water car, everyone. A water car. And someone just stole my ride. I'll just take this. Oh wait, that's like $10,000, isn't it? I heard a train. Rob that train. Rob that train. That train. Rob that train. Rob that train. That train. That rob that train. Rob that train. That train. It is. It's not very quiet, is it? Walking down the street. Definitely, this is not dangerous. Hey, shoot him down. Shoot him down, boys. Shoot him down. Shoot him down, boys. Whoa. Okay. That's normal. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get back here. Get back here. What was that? Get out of the car. Dang it. That's my car, fool. That's my car. Get back here. Get back here. They left the car. They left the car. They left the car. They left the car. Yeah, bro. I'm locking this baby. Should maybe lock it. I just ran over that guy. I can just run over him. I'm car. That's definitely the sound a car makes. Go, 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 go. It's a waterproof. Get up there. Time to bring out the big guns. What that sound is? It's something called rocket fuel. I don't know what it is either. Do not worry. You're not alone, my friends. No idea what it is. I guess it just makes you go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 fast. Gotta go fast. Oh. Go. Yes, 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 yes. I made it out alive. Ooh, a bike. Let me steal it. Aw. Wait, is that bike impenetrable? I should break it. I guess the bike is powerful, more powerful than the car. Get him! I like my roadkill cold. Stop my car. He's so strong. He stopped the. Oh, not this time. I was gonna say he's so fast. He stopped the car. Until next time on. Zero. Don't actually think there's another episode of that. I look good in black now. 1 second. The ghost lamp appears yet again. This time. I wonder if brute force is stronger than intellect. Oh wait, I can just smash into those. Brute force versus intellect. Intellect wins this time. Whoa. I guess when you're under something, it makes it like you're in a tunnel. Even though that should not happen, it does. Wait a second. Is it open? No. Let me in. I said, let me in. Dang it, they have bulletproof glass too. Is closed sign bulletproof? Yep. Same thing here. Wait, I need my car. Na, 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 na. Okay, bye guys. I think that's enough for this episode. So good. Bye.